Stock number 40707G. It's a 2012 Dodge Ram 3500. You can see the front fender is no good. Headlights no good. Front bumper's no good. The grill's no good. It does have a key. It doesn't start. You can see the damage to the radiator. The hood is no good. The rear bumper's no good. Got some damage back here. It's no good. Got some surface scratches right there. Couple parking lot dings in the front door. It does have a key. It does not start. Seat belts are good. Airbags are good. Seat belt's good. Does not have a sunroof. This is stock number 40707G. It's a 2012 Dodge Ram 3500. It does have a key. It does not start.